first driving lesson. This is fun.
Chiro, Chico and Chess have a new toy car.
My turn now. And me. I'll be finished soon. Let me have a go. And me. Go away. Mum, Dad.
Excuse me, please, Chico.
Certainly, Mum.
Enjoy yourself. We're going out for a while, so be good and don't get into trouble with Chiro and Chess.
I won't. Huh? Can I play too? Come back. Where have they gone? They've disappeared. Huh? Huh?
Chico wouldn't let the others have a go in the car, so they've tricked him and taken him.
Can I have a go now? Yeah. Oh, this is fun! Wow! What a great car! Can I drive it? Maybe later.
Kurri ties the car to his tail, which makes it much easier to get up the hill.
Here we are! Now for some fun! Chiro! Chiro! Where are they?
The toy car goes faster and faster.
Chiro! What are you doing? You could have really hurt yourself.
That was very dangerous, Chiro.
Be careful. You must go slowly.
So they let Kurri have a go instead.
I'll pull you along.
This is fun!
But Kurri's just a bit too heavy.